Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy you have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her you have the sweet Hippy with Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. Alright guys, this is part 2 of my coaster series. We're going to stick with the beginner theme for now. I've got my son Lucas here, and he's going to do one after me. He picked out some colors, I picked out some colors, so we're just going to rock this, and we are going to both do one. So, play some music and let you guys watch.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something
And I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is with the light on. I think she turned out really pretty. And super simple. Anybody could do it. Alright, let me show you with the light off as well. Alright, here she is with the light off. Looks like I need to pop a few bubbles, but I really like how it turned out. So, tell me what you guys think in the comments. We're going to come back and I'm going to let Lucas have a try at it. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm here with my son, and he is going to do a flip cup and then do some modifications on it. He went ahead and filled his cup. There's his cup, and then we are just going to rock this and show you guys how we can do a cool pattern with it. Alright, so go ahead and flip that booger, son. Just let go of it. Yep, and let it sit there for a minute, because it'll all run onto your coaster there. Yep, you can tap it a little if you want. Give it just a second, and then you can. Then when you do it, you can when you pick it up, just kind of tilt it a little. That way it don't kind of get goofy on you. All right, go ahead. I think it's good enough. There you go. Take it off. Go ahead. There you go. There you go. All right. So now let me pop these bubbles. I know you love it when I pop bubbles, don't you?
Nope. I like the bubbles.
Well, the bubbles are cool, except for not when they're those bubbles. Okay.
Spin it.
Yep, you can spin it if you want, tilt it if you want, however you want to do it. Okay. All right, well, you got it. Spin that sucker. All right. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to pick out some bubbles. That's cool. That looks cool already. Okay. Just be careful you don't get the black from your finger in it. That's good enough. Hold on, let me get your rag. He's not a messy one like me. I think he's more prissy. Okay. All right, let me get those bubbles out for you. I'm going to just pop those suckers. Hopefully they're just bubbles and not goobers. That's what I was kind of checking. All right. Okay. So now what he's going to do is take the pick, like I did earlier, and run it through it. When you do it, just do it like this. Let me show you. Like this. Go. Like that. Okay, hold on. Let me get that black off there. I just want to show you, so you keep it in the paint when you do it. So otherwise it won't go all the way through. Okay. All right, go for it. I'd start at the top and go. That way I'll hold it. Yep, and then just do some patterns or something. Don't mix them up.
Uh-oh.
You're going to mix up the colors if you do it. There you go, just like that. Perfect. Now wait.
Oh.
You got to wipe off your pick.
I didn't know that.
Well, you do now. Otherwise, you do that. Do you want to do another one?
No.
That's all you want to do to it?
Yeah, why not?
I don't know. Do another one like right here. Just do another one. Simple.
Like, put it
Yeah,
right.
just like, do like a little design or whatever. Okay. There. There you go. Okay, that's cool. All right, let's spin that again. Get some of that paint off of it, and then you might have to do it again if it takes all of it off. I don't know how much pillow paint we got on there. Okay. You can always, oh, careful.
Oh, crap.
Did you put your
No, I
hand
didn't.
in it? Here,
Uh-uh.
wipe this off before you get it all over. Okay, now where did I put that skewer? You're such shit. Okay, what did I do with my skewer? Oh, there it is. It was hiding. It was hiding. All right, so skewer. Okay, so we might want to. Let me see here. We got a few bubbles again. That's I think the goober. I had to get the goober out. Sorry. It's okay.
I really messed it up.
Huh?
I really messed it up.
No, it didn't. You can take your skewer and you could do a little pattern through it if you want. Just do something. I'll hold it.
I don't know where to start.
That's right. No, I just start from I just start up here where you haven't got any of that, and then just kind of do little. Yeah, just do some squigglies through it. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Okay. All right, that's probably good. There. See? Okay, now spin it again. And see, it just gives it a little something. I mean, you can do all sorts of stuff with it. And this is, oh my God, you just like squirted that everywhere. Oh my God, I've got to show them your foot. I mean, really, son. He really just spun that, took his finger and like went like this and like threw it all over us. Oh, what am I gonna do with you? Okay, he's got it on his foot. All right. You have to spin it one more time, and I think we got this. Now, don't take your finger off so hard. Oh my God.
That's fun.
Yeah, it's fun to get messy, ain't it? I told you. Why do you think your mom
You're
likes...
cleaning off my foot.
I'm not cleaning that off your foot. You're crazy. You're just completely nuts. Okay,
Dude,
I like it.
Wet wax is probably
I like
better.
it. Hold on. I don't have a wet wipe, Lucas. Otherwise, I'd give you one. Okay, hold on. Let me pick this up, and we will show them. But I'm going to show them your foot, too. It's funny. Okay, hold on. Let me pick this up. Ugh. Well, you always have to wipe off the bottom. That's cool, Lucas. Do you like it?
I just don't like how.
What? What don't you like?
Just don't like that. It don't really match from right here. I like how it matches.
Because you're OCD?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, well, I'm sorry. I mean, you could run the comb through it again.
No thanks.
No? Okay, then we're going to
That'll
leave it.
probably mess it up.
Well, maybe. Let me find it. Let me get this thing. We'll set it up on there. And then we can do a flyover of it with the camera. Okay. All right, 1 second, Lucas. Don't go anywhere with your foot. Your foot's got paint all over it. I don't need it all over the house there, Goofy. Okay. Let's see. Lucas!
What?
Oh, okay. Hold on. Where's your foot? Oh, shoot. Okay. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. All right. So there's my son's foot, and there's my hands. Here is his masterpiece. Okay. It is not crappy. It's really super cool, actually. I mean, this is like your second time you've ever painted in your life. So it really is pretty. All right, guys, here is mine. Tell me what you think in the comments. I do think she turned out really pretty. And then let me give you another look at Lucas's here in 1 second. All right, here is Lucas's. So this concludes my second part of my coaster series. I will see you again next Sunday, and we will do some more. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys. Have a great day or great night wherever you are, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.